Hello, dear one. If you're getting ready for bed or simply searching for peace after a long day, sit back, close your eyes, and allow these words to touch your heart. Tonight we'll journey through 9 gentle but powerful Buddhist teachings, guiding you to love yourself more deeply and fall into a truly peaceful sleep. 1. You are worthy of love, even before you are perfect. In Buddhism, compassion begins with yourself. You don't need to be flawless to be loved. You are worthy, simply because you exist. 2. Forgive yourself. Like a kind mother forgives a child still learning. Mistakes are part of the journey. Don't punish your present for your past. Be gentle with yourself. 3. Your mind is not your enemy. It is a child that needs to be heard. Every negative thought isn't the truth. It's a signal. Listen to it with kindness, not judgment. 4. No one out there can complete you. You are already whole. Love doesn't come from someone filling a gap. True love is realizing your own fullness within. 5. You don't have to pretend to be strong. Vulnerability is part of being human. When you allow yourself to be soft, you are truly strong, because you stop running from your truth. 6. Letting go isn't failure. Letting go is an act of wisdom. The Buddha said, "What no longer serves you, let it go." Like the wind, don't cling, don't force. 7. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's your responsibility. When you love yourself, you can love others more fully. 8. You don't need to prove your worth. You are already part of this universe. No one can take your place in this world. Breathe. Know that by existing, you are already a gift. 9. Peace doesn't come from controlling everything, but from releasing the need to control. When you exhale and let things be, you begin to touch true freedom. Now take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Place your hand on your heart. Feel your own rhythm. Let each of these teachings flow through you, like cool water washing away the day's heaviness. You've done enough. You've tried enough, and now you deserve to rest. The greatest love doesn't come from others. It begins with you. Sleep well, as the most sacred act of self-love. And tomorrow, you'll wake not only with a rested body, but with a heart that feels just a little lighter. If this video helped you feel loved and held, hit subscribe. Each night, we'll return inward together to plant the seeds of inner peace.